speedography exercise 55 80 word per minute. Madam, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to draw the attention of the House to a matter of grave concern. Newspapers have reported that there was a rocket attack on the Central Reserve Police Force in Punjab. It is a sad thing that we have come to terms with violence. I would like the government to examine what was the cause for this. What is a rocket attack on the Central Reserve Police Force? We must take cognizance of this. This means that there is an upgradation in the kind of weapon system the terrorists have available to them today. What was the government doing regarding this, and the implication it has towards Parliament, the people of this country, and particularly the people of the state? We have repeatedly known that there are weapon systems flowing into the state, and the government did not do anything about it. Pictures have been published in newspapers with terrorists having in their hands weapons like AK-47 machine guns. Government did not do anything about it. The Home Minister did not make a statement on the floor of the House or give an answer or explanation as to how these are made available to the terrorists. We have got pictures published regarding this issue. No cognizance has been taken of that. Here the police have been attacked by a weapon system beyond their reach or comprehension. This is not fair. It is not just that members of parliament, sir, hear and pass bills. This has a direct bearing on the security force. People who are on the spot and who have to come to terms with them and face them. How are our security forces equipped? Are we equipping our security forces with similar weapon systems? Are they having that range and reach with their weapons? No, the terrorists have it. So these things give rise to other questions like the following. Where are these arms coming from? Has the government an answer for this? Are they making an effort to learn about it? Will they be able to answer this House about it? Secondly, what action is the government taking to stop the inflow of these weapons? Do they have any system by which they are going to buy them? What is disturbing is that this House had to empower the government with Article 249